What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Hey, listen, another day, another Jerome Powell speech. We're going to be like this basically all week. And for the next 3 weeks, we're going to hear from the man himself. But today, we got to focus on what his vision or what his warning is for the crypto market. So, Jay Seals, take us away, man.
All right. So, not the right one. There we are. All right. So, Fed Chair Jerome Powell warns interest rates could raise higher than expected. Sirens raising, red flags wave, maybe a white flag for the markets and crypto, but let's get into it. So, speaking on Capitol Hill today, Fed Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has warned that interest rates could raise higher than previously expected, additionally stating that inflation progress is likely to be bumpy. The fight to combat rising inflation and recessionary state has been an ongoing task for the Federal Reserve. Now, leave down in the comments whether you think the Fed's actually winning this fight or not. We'll go more over that in a second. But as of most of 2022 was spent rising interest rates in the effort, with Powell indicating today that rates are likely to continue. The Federal Reserve has not been shy about its determination to combat inflation, which they have not. The past year has seen interest rates hikes with every Fed meeting, and many hope that the pursuit would come to a close to start the year, but that doesn't appear likely. I don't know what people have been watching. I don't know if they've been listening to this man, but he's been saying forever that they ain't stopping. So why they thought it was going to change now, I don't know. So speaking to Capitol Hill today, Jerome Powell warned that interest rates are likely to raise higher than previously expected. We got CPI data coming out next week, and that's really going to be telling. And moreover, he told attendees that progress made in the fight against inflation will likely be bumpy. So, he's warning that interest rate hikes are coming. The CPI is not going to be good. The target rate sits now at 4.5 to 4.75, but that's likely going to raise. A lot of people are thinking it's going to be 50 basis points the next hike and not 25 basis points. So, Hobbs, what do you think about the fact that we kind of got the rug pulled on us? I feel like we got a rug pull today. Yeah, so you're muted.
I'm gonna steal a play out of your playbook, Justin. This was not bad, right? I feel like what Jerome did today was basically prepare the markets for bad CPI data, right? He mentioned, and when he spoke before, he mentioned that, of course, they get the data before they actually know what they're going to do, because they need to analyze the data before everybody else gets a hold of it. What I think he did today, subtly, but not too subtle, was basically say, we're going to be at this for a while, which tells me that he probably knows that inflation is a little bit stickier than originally expected. If inflation comes in, even shows the hint of going back up, this market usually without warning would dump. But because he's given the market somewhat of a warning, the market dumped ahead of time. So maybe on CPI day, when we inevitably get this bad data, we won't dump as much. So those are my thoughts. What do you think, Jake?
Yeah, I just want to share this. This is a guy on Twitter, and so he has what is the CME Group's target for the federal fund rate probabilities for this month, right?
And so 0.75.
No, so before Powell spoke, it was a 25 basis point hike. 69% thought it was going to be a 25 basis point, and then 30% thought it was going to be 50. Well, after today, that number just flopped. 72% think it's a 50% or 50 basis point hike, and 28% think it's going to be a 25 basis point hike.
That tells you the power of that meeting, right?
Exactly. The power of the meeting, the power of Jerome Powell. So, just something to think about. A lot of people in the market really feel like 50 basis points is coming. I think it's priced in. And I think Hobbs is completely right. I think that it was going to be a shock to the market. And we saw it earlier, right? We saw Bullard come out, and he kind of coaxed the market into believing a certain way before it happened. And then when that thing happened, it wasn't too bad because we were prepared for it. Well, Now Jerome Powell just kind of giving us a little pat on the back, like, hey, buddy, it's going to be okay. Inflation's a little bit higher this time, but I'm letting you know now just so that I can kind of calm you down, buddy. You'll be all right. And then when it happens, the market won't react so harshly.
Yeah, couldn't agree more. Could not agree more. I think that's exactly what's happening here. And we'll just have to see exactly where this goes and how it affects the crypto market, because I think whatever it does in the stock market inevitably is going to affect the crypto market very, very similar, right? So I don't know. You guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come on back over to the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel and definitely subscribe to the channel so you can check out myself and Justin. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.